welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment failed on stake in 2025. The first thing you need to do is check your payment details. Make sure they are all accurate and up to date. Next, you need to double check that you've entered all payment details correctly, such as account numbers, card numbers, expiring dates, CVV or crypto wallet addresses. Even a small error can cause a failure. Next, you must verify that you have sufficient funds. Next, you have to confirm payment method eligibility. Verify that the payment method you are trying to use is supported by stake in your region. Payment options can vary depending on your location due to regulatory requirements. Stake supports various methods including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and cryptocurrencies. If you're using a local currency, ensure that stake supports transactions in that currency for your country. Sometimes local currency options might be temporarily unavailable due to regulatory reasons. In such cases, you might need to use cryptocurrency. Don't forget to check your account verification level. Ensure your stake account is fully verified, especially if you're trying to make a significant deposit or withdrawal. Stake often has different verification levels that unlock various account features, including payment. Complete all required verification steps: identity, address, and potential source of funds. Then, if you've checked all the above and the payment still fails, the best course of action is to contact Stake's customer support directly, because they can provide specific reasons for the failure and guide you on how to resolve the issue. Provide them with details of the transaction, the payment method used, and any error messages you received. It's important for you to consider that when it comes to cryptocurrency, Stake often prioritize the cryptocurrency for deposits and withdrawal due to security and portability. Ensure you're using supported cryptocurrency and the current network for your transaction. Also, be aware that payment regulation supported methods can change over time, so always refer to the latest information on the Stake platform or by contacting their support. Stake may also have additional security measures in place for payments, such as email verification or two-factor authentication. Ensure you are following these procedures. So, with all the steps, I believe you should be able to identify and resolve most payment failed issues on Stake in 2025. And if a problem persists, consider contacting Stake support, because it is crucial for personalized assistance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.